Ever wondered how to truly take control of your thoughts effortlessly? Is it even possible for someone like you, whether you're a total beginner or not? Maybe you're wondering if this can help you tackle negative or intrusive thoughts, or how long it'll take before you start seeing real results. Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to become the boss of your brain and control your thoughts with ease. No experience required. We'll answer the biggest question on your mind. How can this be so simple? And is it really achievable for anyone? Plus, we'll dive into what makes this method different from everything else you've seen, and how it can work for you starting today. And if you've ever been frustrated by constant negative thoughts or wondered if these techniques work for even the toughest mental challenges, stick with me, because I'll also be showing you how to tackle those head-on. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how long it takes to master this skill, whether or not it's about meditation, and, most importantly, what kind of life-changing results you can expect. Oh, and before you start wondering if there are any downsides or hidden risks to managing your thoughts too much, we'll cover that too. By the time we're done, you'll have all the tools and knowledge you need to dominate your mind without stress. So, let's dive in. Controlling your thoughts effortlessly starts with a simple shift in awareness. Most people think controlling your mind is about fighting every negative thought or pushing through mental noise. But the real secret? It's about observing your thoughts without attaching too much weight to them. Think of your mind like a radio. When a station is playing something you don't like, you don't force yourself to listen. You simply switch the channel. In the same way, you have the power to redirect your focus anytime. It's not about battling your thoughts. It's about choosing which thoughts deserve your attention and which ones to let go of. Absolutely. This isn't just for seasoned meditators or self-help gurus. Anyone can master this skill, no matter where you're starting from. It doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner to mindset work, or if you've struggled with racing thoughts your entire life. The key is consistency and the right approach. I'll show you how you can start applying these techniques from day one, and you'll notice the shift almost immediately. Yes, negative or intrusive thoughts often feel like they have control over us, but they don't have to. One of the best things about learning to manage your thoughts is that you gain the ability to observe those negative or intrusive thoughts without giving them power. Instead of spiraling into anxiety or frustration, you'll learn how to create space between yourself and the thought, allowing it to pass. With time, these thoughts become less frequent and less intense, and you'll develop a calm, centered mindset that keeps you in control. The beauty of this method is that you'll notice results immediately, but true mastery takes practice. Many people begin to feel a difference after just a few days or weeks of applying these techniques. However, like any skill, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Over time, this effortless control of your thoughts will feel like second nature. You won't have to think about it. It'll just be the way you naturally respond to life's challenges. Unlike methods that require hours of meditation or intensive thought control techniques, this approach is quick, practical, and can be done in real time. You don't need to set aside hours of your day or go through complex exercises. It's about being mindful in the moment and gently guiding your thoughts without force. Whether you're at work, dealing with a personal challenge, or just going about your daily routine, these techniques are designed to integrate seamlessly into your life. That's what makes it different. It's immediate, effective, and sustainable. Anyone can do this. No prior experience is needed. You don't have to be a mindset expert or someone who's practiced meditation for years. This approach is designed to be simple and accessible. It's about being aware of your thoughts and making small, consistent shifts. I'll guide you through exactly how to start. So even if you've never tried something like this before, you'll feel confident from the beginning. This method isn't strictly meditation, though it does share some principles of mindfulness. It's more about training your awareness and redirecting your focus. While meditation is great for some, you don't need to sit in silence or have a dedicated practice to make this work. You can use these techniques throughout your day, in any situation, without needing to stop what you're doing. It's about making the process of thought control fluid and effortless, no matter where you are. This really works, and it's backed by both scientific research and countless personal experiences. Studies show that by learning to manage your thoughts and focus on positive, productive thinking, you can rewire your brain for success and peace of mind. I'm not here to sell you a quick fix or a magic pill. This is about creating long-term, sustainable change that you'll be able to rely on for the rest of your life. Once you learn to control your thoughts, you'll experience less stress, fewer negative thoughts, and a greater sense of calm and clarity. You'll find yourself reacting to situations with more patience and less anxiety. Your mental energy will be freed up to focus on what really matters, whether that's your personal goals, your relationships, or your overall well-being. Over time, you'll see improved mental health, greater resilience to life's challenges, and a more positive outlook on life. It's important to understand that this isn't about suppressing your thoughts or trying to control everything. Trying to force control can actually create more stress. Instead, this is about allowing your thoughts to flow, observing them without judgment, and gently redirecting your focus. There's no risk of becoming overly rigid because this approach is all about balance and mindfulness. It allows for flexibility and growth, ensuring that you stay connected with your emotions without letting them rule you. So, now that we've covered all the important questions about controlling your thoughts effortlessly, you might be feeling both excited and a little curious. Maybe you've been thinking, can I really do this? Or will this work for me? And the answer is a resounding yes. This isn't just about theory or wishful thinking. It's about tapping into the incredible potential that already exists within you. You don't need years of experience or to be an expert to get started. All you need is the willingness to shift your mindset and apply the simple techniques we've discussed. Let's quickly recap the key takeaways so you can feel empowered to put this into practice right away. First, controlling your thoughts effortlessly is not about forcing yourself to think only positive things or battling every negative thought that comes your way. Instead, it's about recognizing that you have the power to choose which thoughts to focus on. Just like switching the station on a radio, you can gently guide your attention toward thoughts that serve you and let go of those that don't. This shift alone can create a powerful transformation in your mental and emotional well-being. You might still be wondering if this is possible for anyone. If someone with no experience or who has struggled with their thoughts for years can really master this skill. The answer is yes. This approach is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of where you're starting from. Whether you've practiced mindfulness before or this is all brand new to you, the techniques are simple and effective. It's not about being perfect, it's about progress. The more you practice, the easier it becomes, and before you know it, controlling your thoughts will feel like second nature. One of the most exciting parts of this journey is how it can help with negative or intrusive thoughts. These are the thoughts that often feel like they hijack our mind, pulling us into a cycle of anxiety or self-doubt. But as we've discussed, with the right techniques, you can learn to observe those thoughts without reacting to them. You don't have to let them control you. Over time, you'll find that these negative or intrusive thoughts lose their grip on your mind. You'll develop a sense of calm and clarity that allows you to respond to life's challenges with a clear, focused mind. And how long does it take to master this skill? Well, the good news is, you don't have to wait months or years to see results. You can start noticing a difference almost immediately. As you practice these techniques, you'll find that each day gets a little easier, and your control over your thoughts becomes stronger. That said, true mastery, where this becomes an effortless part of your daily life, does take some time and consistency. But remember, this is a journey, not a race. Every step you take brings you closer to a more empowered version of yourself. So what makes this method different from everything else out there? Unlike approaches that require hours of meditation or complicated rituals, this method is designed to be practical and integrated into your daily life. You don't need to set aside hours of your day or go through long, drawn-out processes. This is something you can apply in the moment, whether you're dealing with stress at work, a challenging conversation, or just trying to quiet your mind before bed. It's simple, effective, and most importantly, it works in real time. Now, if you're thinking, I've never done anything like this before, can I really succeed? The answer is yes. You don't need any special training or experience. This is for anyone, whether you're just starting out on your personal development journey or you've been working on your mindset for years. The techniques I've shared are easy to understand and apply, and I'm confident that once you start using them, you'll see just how powerful they can be. You might also be wondering if this is about meditation. While meditation can be a great tool for many people, what I'm teaching here isn't traditional meditation. It's about mindful awareness and gentle redirection of your thoughts. It's about being present in your everyday life and taking control of your mind as situations arise. You can use these techniques anytime, anywhere, whether you're driving, working, or even in the middle of a conversation. That's what makes it so powerful and accessible. And let's address the big question. Does this really work, or is it just another gimmick? I can confidently say, this works. It's backed by scientific research and by countless individuals who have applied these techniques and transformed their lives. I'm not here to sell you a quick fix or something that sounds too good to be true. This is about real, sustainable change that can improve your mental health, boost your resilience, and help you achieve your goals. The results speak for themselves. So what can you expect once you learn to control your thoughts? You'll experience more clarity, less stress, and a greater sense of control over your life. You'll notice that your mind feels less cluttered, and you're able to focus more on what really matters. You'll also feel more at peace, less reactive to stress, and more capable of handling whatever life throws your way. And over time, you'll see that this control over your mind translates into greater success in every area of your life, whether it's your career, relationships, or personal growth. Lastly, let's address the potential risks. Is there a downside to controlling your thoughts too much? The key here is balance. This method is not about suppressing your thoughts or trying to be in control every second of the day. It's about creating a healthy relationship with your mind, one where you're in the driver's seat, but you're also allowing your thoughts to flow naturally. By practicing mindful awareness, you'll find a balance that allows you to be in control without feeling overwhelmed or overly rigid. So as we wrap up, remember that controlling your thoughts isn't just possible, it's achievable for you, starting today. With the right mindset, the right tools, and a little bit of practice, you'll become the boss of your brain, effortlessly guiding your thoughts toward the life you truly want to live. Now, it's your turn to take action. Start applying these techniques, and watch as your mind becomes your greatest ally in creating the life you've always dreamed of. Let's get started on this journey together, because the power to control your thoughts and ultimately your life is already within you. You just need to tap into it. Thank you.